Reader exercise 11.2, question number 7. Now in this question you are going to draw a circle without compass. You are going to make a circle with the help of a bangle. When you make the circle with the help of compass, you can locate the center. You can locate the center. But here you are going to find the center, then from there you have to take a point and draw pair of tangents. Okay. So for making the circle you need a bangle. Suppose if bangle is not there, you take any lid, okay, any circular lid. Now materials, scale, sharp pencil and compass. These are the three main things you need, and for the first part you should use a bangle or a circular lid. Now I am going to take a lid and make a circle little bigger size, okay, little bigger size, so that you can see clearly. So I am placing the lid here, I am placing the lid here and I am making the circle now. Smooth circle with the help of pencil you should draw. So circle is over, remove the lid. Now there is no center. You have to find the center. To find the center of the circle, you make three different chords. Even two is enough. Okay. So let me take three. So I am going to take three chords. First one you name it as A, B. Second one C, D. Third one E, F. Now for all these three chords you draw the perpendicular bisector. You draw the perpendicular bisector with the help of compass and pencil. So I will take one by one. Okay, first part is over. For the first chord it is over. So you do all these things with dotted lines because I am going to find only the center. Okay, after that construction is there. So you make with dotted lines. So for this chord perpendicular bisector is ready. Now for this chord slight arc you give, okay. Now again join these two with dotted lines. Join these two with dotted lines. Now go to the third chord. This construction you have already done in 9th standard. Finding the center of the given circle. Finding the center of the given circle. So it is repeated here. Indirectly he is asking you to find the center of the circle. Now all these three perpendicular bisectors meet at a point. This is your center. All perpendicular bisector meet at a point, that is the center of the circle. So draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Now from the center you measure, you take a point without any measurement, okay. You take a point outside the circle and join it from the center. Remove the scale. Name this point as P. Now from P, you are asked to calculate the pair of tangents to the circle. So for OP, draw perpendicular. Other steps are same only. For OP, find the perpendicular bisector. So join these two arcs, smooth line using scale and pencil. This is midpoint of OP. Now you will keep the needle at M, on M, and pencil end on O. Draw a circle. Draw a circle, and this circle pass through O and P, and previous circle and this new circle, they intersect at two places. Okay, so let me name it as Y Z. Any letter you can use. Okay, now join P with Y. Join P with Y, P with Z, P with Z. Now what I should do? I should measure PY, PZ using scale and pencil and check whether they are same. Okay, so this is the last question in that exercise. Here they are asking you to make a circle without using the compass. You are making a circle with the help of a bangle or a lid. Circular thing only you should take. Then you find the center of the circle. From the center you choose a point without any measurement. You choose a point outside the circle. Okay. Then from there you construct pair of tangents to the circle. So this is how you are doing the construction for question number 7.